To my channel. This is my first YouTube channel. Far. You ready?
Ready?
The person is. I'm pretty sure he's an animal. Me just there gonna say paper.
He is Lee.
And she is Letty.
And together we are
The double L's.
the double L.
Double L's. What's up, guys?
How you doing?
How are you doing? It's a
How
new
you
month.
feeling?
It's a new month, my guy.
Yeah,
So
we're back.
so we're back again with another video.
Welcome back again. OD did the last time.
Ready with
With the next video.
Ready with the next video.
Yeah.
We still record that.
We still record it as official.
Official. Just like you know, look crazy at the
Yeah.
creative channel, like
Yes.
my guys. Well, welcome to hashtag DLS with your vibrant host. Your
When
vibrant
you introduce yourself and
host.
say, hey, it's Lee and hey, it's Letty.
Yeah, we'll introduce yourself so, but then we'll always introduce yourself again and say, it's Thinking Creatively.
I'm the girl Letty 876.
Cause we're living in the tropics.
And like guys, let's just get down to business.
Business,
okay?
guys.
Business.
This one feel it was a good idea for Bethany, so she can eat a bun faster than me, like.
And of course, guys, you know, so say me would
First of all, me hungry right now. So you want to do the bun eating contest?
But I'll go on afterwards.
All
We
right.
must have to do it and show them.
Must have to do it.
Next upcoming thing to talk about is
Guys,
in the previous video.
the previous video.
Yeah, the one that came before.
DLS episode 2, I think.
Yeah.
DLS.
The video that came before the time when we were killers, that video.
Yeah, episode
Yes.
2. It was episode DLS
Yes.
episode
And we
2.
asked you guys
How-
a trivia question.
Yes, the trivia question. Go back and watch it. See, it just pop up on the
Yeah,
screen.
pop
The
up
link,
this up,
it
this
just.
up.
Or pay
Yeah.
attention to the top of this up. It pop up just a while ago. Guys, go watch back the trivia question. Answer the question,
Because
guys.
no one hasn't won it.
Nobody know win
Nobody.
Jesus Christ. You know what?
Nobody.
Just for that, it changed from a 2 bills credit to a 4 bills credit. Need to go get it right now. Only need to go get it right
People.
now. Only need to go get it right now. Lime,
And just
Floor,
in case some
Claro, Digicel, anything where you have. Yo, only go and go watch back the video and then watch back the video before that.
And watch the rest of the video.
And then watch the rest of the video them. Yes, me I say. Only need to pay attention to the video them if you don't want to win. And we're not gonna do no more free credit giveaway until
that question they
that
get
question
answered
they get
and
answered.
somebody winning.
Yes, me I say. So we literally change it from $200 to $400.
Exactly.
If you do not get that, yo.
And just to remind
Yo.
you guys of what to do when you know the answer. You have
Yo.
to, on that video, in
Yo.
that comment
In
section,
that comment section,
you have to comment the answer with your
Instagram name, or if you don't have an Instagram name, your Facebook name, or you just put your WhatsApp number.
But we don't say we don't want to put your WhatsApp number.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you
exactly.
put the Instagram name
there.
or the Facebook name. You may say so.
Put the answer with your Instagram name.
Yeah, me I
Not just one or just one.
You may say? You may say? Go read back the question. Or listen back the question.
And then when we see the comment now, we're going to just link it on the Instagram.
We're going to link it on the Instagram.
You know what I'm saying? But if we don't answer you, if we don't reply to your comment, no, I would have replied to your comment.
Well, I always reply to everybody
But
comments,
yeah,
so.
if we don't reply to your comment and you comment the answer, and you comment an answer, that means you just never get it.
Yes, never get it right. Even though I tell something, I like tell people say them wrong, that's very.
But if you obviously don't get a response in about 2 days maximum
Which will
2
always
days,
read the comments to tell you know.
Exactly.
So it's a $400 credit now. So
Guys,
scrap
please.
what that say about $200, $400 credit now.
watch the video, answer the question, comment the answer in the comment section, leave your Instagram name. We will answer you whether you're right or you're wrong. Simple.
Simple like a pimple on a Maranatha lyrics. Anyways, but just go and go deal with that. Back to this bun eating thing now. You think you better than me?
Of course.
You know what? Just to make it more spicy, we are the bun and soda challenge right now. Me I go shop right now. Give me
but I think what's the way can stomach them things that don't have.
We are going to eat right now. Come in, why do the idiot something?
Ready?
Right now.
Now it's time for the bun eating challenge.
Oh, bun eating challenge, you do?
Yes.
We just have to put this and eat it.
Onion yet.
Oh, alright. So now we'll do the bun eating challenge. We'll start comment to the team from now. Team Lee all the way. Team
Letty.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I want to allow me to say. Team Letty, I go win. If we don't win, I say go.
First of all, we're going to do the no hands. So we're going to put food pan them.
Why your one so big? You're extra? You're extra.
First of all,
when I agree for you use a little something.
No, you agree if you use a little something. Me, I use this.
Extra much.
So we're not going to use one hand, we're going to just put one at the side and try maneuver and eat like a wild animal today.
But want to slide off.
It's a cutting board, it won't slide off, it has grip.
Yeah, grip. Mine has barriers.
Anyways, let's start this eating challenge. This bun eating challenge. And after the bun eating challenge, we have the sodas at our feet right now, ready for us to drink. So we'll start with the bun eating challenge first. Right?
Yes, that's already Lee.
So we'll start with opening the bag. Smell that? Some good bun. I'm gonna say big up National Spice Bun. You guys can sponsor us if you like. Alright, no? Alright, cool.
So that's how we are gonna do it today. And let's go.
Producer, can I show this one please?
You know what's it? Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
Producer, which team you say?
Team Letty.
Something alright?
Letty.
That's all.
What? Me don't know what is
Well,
that.
Team Lee and
That
Team
team
Letty.
doesn't sound too safe.
Well, I'm supporting two teams right now. Team Lee, Team Letty, Team Lee,
Okay,
Team Letty,
ready.
Team Lee.
Alright,
Ready.
alright. What I know? Yeah, you need to tell her so she can't use her hand, you know.
No man, you
Can't
can't.
use her
Yeah,
hand.
that's the rule.
You mean
No
say?
hand, just a
Alright.
mouth, eating up, no crumbs of a leave.
No crumbs.
No crumbs.
First of all, I wouldn't know say I'm here going, right?
Crumbs.
Wouldn't know say. Alright,
No
the fact that
crumbs.
she said crumbs are gonna leave, she was said she can't
But
win.
me and crumbs.
Plate be clean.
Bun have crumbs?
You don't see I dry it out though. Make we just do it, no man. And the lady there.
Come with them, come with them.
After 3, up. 3, 2, 1, go. Go Letty, go Letty, go
What are
Letty.
they? I'm only dry.
Go Letty, go Letty. Yes, Letty. And Letty's taking another bite. And he's taking another bite.
Mommy,
And
no,
Letty, and Letty bite is smaller.
Wait a minute.
Go Lee,
I'm only dry.
go Lee, go. Yes, Letty. Yes, Letty. Get down on the bone, Letty. Yes, Letty. Hey.
Mom, you have me laugh. Stop.
You are win, Letty. You are win. Team Letty, we say. Team Letty, guys. Team Letty. Aye. See the crumbs there? You have to eat the crumbs. Hey. Go Letty. Come Lee. Round the furlong. Swallow it. Don't choke. Yes, Letty.
Team Lee.
Show your boss. Hey, team Letty.
No crumbs.
No crumbs.
You spit by my bun.
Continue. Go. I told him to say you win. That's why I'm not distract you. Don't be distracted by them, Letty. Don't distract them.
I am super excited upon that.
Alright, go Lee. You go halfway there. Halfway there. Soon finish. Go Lee. Soon finish. Yeah. Come Letty.
Them come like coaster. Them bus.
Go Letty. Take a big bite. What a big bite. Don't drop. Don't drop. Hey. What one? Continue.
Obviously.
Go lead.
Moving already. Why?
Almost finished. What a big bite. Letty take. Yes, Letty, you're in the lead. Letty, you're in the lead.
I told me eat food this morning, yeah?
Team Letty. Yes. Now Lee in the lead now. Lee in the lead. Come Letty, you can't make Lee win. You can't make Lee. Come guys, Team Letty. What a big bite. Look at that scrumptious bite.
I want to commentator.
Yes, Letty. Letty is smooth finish. Are you away? You're up on the home stretch. Home stretch, Letty. Home stretch. Don't give up now, Letty. Don't give up now. Just swallow that. I'm bite again. Just swallow that. I'm bite again. Just swallow that. I'm bite. When you don't get the cheese, remember the cheese. Come to you. Whoa.
And commentator just left. Got the cheese.
These are the cheese.
What you do for piece of cheese?
These are the cheese.
Try it now.
No, wait, who first don't eat the bun, get the cheese. Yes.
Who eat bun then cheese?
Go Letty, we. Creators. Yes, Letty, what a big scrumptious bite. Yes, Lee. One more bite and that done. Yes, Lee. Go Letty, go Lee. You don't joke. No joke. Alright.
No, I'm not joke.
Alright. I say go. Hey, the last big just
Wait a
no
minute.
crumbs.
Wait
Yes,
a
no
minute.
crumbs. You must have done chew too. Yes, no crumbs. Eat up the crumbs. Plate clean. Just chew. Chew and swallow. Cut and swallow. Hey, who are the leader? Who are the winner? Who is the team? Team Letty.
Yeah, you can talk first.
You need to whistle.
What was that?
That's your problem.
No chewing. Are you sure you're done chewing? You sure everything? Okay.
Check our mouth.
Chewing still a bun. We have to check our mouth.
Yeah. Obviously, I'm here with hello. Period.
You were great,
Who?
Letty. You were great.
Period.
You were
Who?
great.
When you come in, she have crumbs in her plate, you me.
That's crumbs.
Yes, I said no crumbs.
I would say no
We
crumbs.
were listening to you. As well
I was listening to you. I said you.
Me whistle first, me talk first, but show my mouth first. Obviously, is me with.
When you comment below, I tell me Owen.
What is this for you?
Team
This
lead.
cannot be true.
When you see your mind one clean. You can eat that fight again and again.
Man, it's not brush out because of that.
No crumbs.
Watch
no
it.
crumbs. No crumbs.
Tanya, yo, let it just throw the stick from over here.
No, my
over here.
still on that. I
Look
still-
at the wicked man. I saw the wicked. No,
Guys,
wicked.
let me tell you what's going on.
Wicked.
On the couch, he has a big piece of spice bun there upon the couch, you know.
Oh, she knows
And
that the
my
spice bun did there.
You
And
just
she
get up-
planted
you just
there.
get up and show me.
Yo, this
He
is
was
conspiracy.
sitting on it.
This is
He
conspiracy.
was sitting on it, so obviously he's a cheater.
Something smell
He's a
fishy. Me not
cheater.
understand. Something like in the
It's
adult.
funny.
Guys,
You just say something smell
you're
bunny.
gonna won.
I don't fish and I eat.
Period.
I'm gonna comment and tell Owen cause
I won.
me don't know how she knows that bun me and sit on pan bun. Like, oh you know
Because you just got up. I saw with my little eye. He said just come. Anyways.
What?
So I want you guys to watch the commercial now. And after the commercial we'll be doing a soda drinking challenge. But right now we're belly bust. We're belly bust right now, so can't really eat nothing.
Where's the
We
pizza eating competition?
Yeah, but in the belly full. Sorry, belly full. Belly full.
Yeah, bad. Swear, yeah, bad.
People. And she's Letty, and together we are
Double L.
Double L. Love them. Greatest YouTubers in for YouTube. What one, Letty?
What you do?
Well, me I watch the Double L show because they put out a new video last week Sunday, every Sunday. You don't really care. Where you want? Where you want?
Well, you know we are eat for December 11th.
What me I gonna eat December 11th? I don't even know I'm gonna eat tomorrow night, much less we are December.
Well, me know some bad chef. We're gonna have a big cook up on December 11th.
First of all, me know for cook. Me have food on my yard, me have stove on my yard. What's the special about feeding food? What?
First of all, you don't know how to cook, and them know how to cook, so that is the difference. And then food ever nice.
Well on. So like, what's the demand cook on
They're
that
not
December
gonna have
11th?
jerk chicken.
Jerk
They're not
chicken?
gonna have curry goat with rice and peas.
Curry goat?
Beef mac and cheese.
Beef?
Chicken steak with sweet and sour sauce.
Sweet and sour?
Appleton barbecue ribs.
Ribs?
Festival and Bombay.
Jesus Christ. Oh my.
Hold on. One piece.
Huh?
One piece.
No. Hold on. Shampoo there. Them have a contact number. We can reserve my food from now.
Of course, they have contact number.
So,
you ready for it?
We're ready for it.
313
313
35
35
45.
45.
Yeah.
Hold on there.
Hold
I'm not a credit. Them the on WhatsApp?
Of course, them the on WhatsApp.
Hold on, I'm turn on the Wi-Fi. Internet fast though, man.
Them all online right now.
Let me text them. But they might take too long for reply. Them have the other contact?
Of course, you can find them on Instagram.
Instagram?
Benchen Cucina.
Benchen Cucina. Well on there. You mean cucina?
Well on the man, Cucina is Italian word for cuisine. Cucina just so nice.
Anyways,
Cucina.
alright, cucina. Alright, well on there. But December 11th, the far mama.
What's your man?
So
You
what
can
can I
just save the money till then. That's why the safari can save the money for the big food you
That
want to eat.
big food? That's why I
Yeah.
price them high, man.
No man, them affordable man. Them
Them-
affordable.
Me like affordable. December 11th, the far man. Yo, my virgin have a time machine.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
real?
We can go at December level, get the food, come back, eat it. You think we can make
I
it?
think that man
For real.
can make it do it.
Come in, ready?
Yeah man.
Alright guys.
Alright.
Thank you for watching the commercial just now.
I know my belly. Not cool.
Yeah, we don't really want to know. We don't know say I'm me win, right? Because you may say, come on, like
Come back with this again.
I'm me win. Alright.
I want commercial go on and they still come back.
I bet some me don't know it's good of us.
Yo, just because of no we are doing it for.
Yeah, cause me
What do we
not-
are doing it for?
me not drink soda. Me not
I'm
have
not drink soda.
soda kind of. Me don't want to say it the way they would. Me not like soda.
My belly can't manage to know, but for the
We are doing
subscribers, we're gonna do it for you.
You lucky, lucky so we love you know. Lucky. Yeah? We better
But
share.
eat
We better
challenge
share
and
it.
soda
We
challenge
better share it to
one
3 people.
dear.
We better share it to 3 people. You hear what I say?
Yo.
Share it to 3 people.
Jump right into it.
We'll jump straight tonight. Right now. Ready?
So here we have my soda. Here's his soda. Let's go.
Hear that?
Hear that? Oh God.
I like smelling food.
Let's see. Belly can't manage it. But let's go. Let's go. Wait, you think we should take off this?
Pick up the label.
Yes, we can see and stuff.
Them can't sew up one down here, so man.
But we stop right now, so. Or them gone now.
We not gonna stop right now, so. If we not reach down here, so, the 2 will automatically lose.
No.
Maybe this way.
No man. No man.
You see you where I watch? You me I talk to. You see me I say? Make sure you say you still as a team lead, you know. Make sure you're not switching, you know. Team lead all the way.
No.
Team lead all the way.
I don't even say no.
Because nobody not follow you. Nobody not the team Letty. You know what you're talking about. Come in, ready?
Or you can please share me in the comments, please. I'm saying.
You ready to do the
I'm
drinking
saying.
or what?
Ready. 1,
2, 3. Excuse me. Excuse me. Have manners, kids. Have manners.
belly pack up.
It just come through my nose. No, my eye and water.
Belly pack up. My eye pack up too.
Excuse me. Excuse me again.
Belly can't take no more. I forfeit.
So look like a me.
Not even lose, my forfeit. No. This was a bad idea. I feel like vomit.
No vomit on camera. Excuse me.
You can't be one bucket, one bucket come. I'm serious.
Alright, mo win.
I'm serious.
We are going to a
Guys.
commercial right now, so then I can vomit.
When I'm gonna do this for later.
Just remember, say I'm me win all along. You want a bus on the creative channel, just link upon the Instagram
page.
fan. That's Thinking Creatively Letty 876
We can't
or
put
the
that here
creative
now.
channel.
We can't put that here
Sorry, I'm very sorry. So the artist there was Negen, and you can find him on Instagram at Negen_music with a K. So that's
the
what
top
you
up
see.
on the screen there.
That's what you see and put a K. And you can find him on YouTube at Negen Music. CMK,
Same
no
K.
C. We don't do no C around here. Just be a K. Be a K. We don't do C. You know what I'm saying?
Then get it.
Big bad artist. Look out for him and take over
It's
dancer.
too bad. Talk true.
Talk true. It never bad. Tell me, rate it in the comments. Tell me
Yeah,
what this
rate
day.
it.
Tell me what this day. Tell me what this
So
day.
now it's time for big up some more people.
Yes.
We know so we've been delaying it enough, but
Yeah,
bear with me.
enough people,
comments.
enough. I won't for comments. See that? Me I look on 602 comments right now.
Yeah.
I don't know how well we do it, guys. Like when I show so much love.
So we have our glasses and we say 602.
Say no, 62. I'm very sorry. I don't know where zero
We
comes
soon
from.
reach. We soon
reach.
Yeah, we just work with it for reach it up.
You know what I'm saying? Share up the content.
Yeah.
Share up the content. Make sure so reach on another level, a better level, a madder level.
Let's jump into it. If
So-
you hear your name, say yeah, me hear my name.
Say yeah, me name with no flames. Yeah, me name. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
So share it. That's what I'm saying. So I say big up to Monique Saunders.
My friend.
Enough love. And more than once I see her in the comment section. Enough love.
Now we have
Shockwave. Is me I say? Look
Yeah.
out for a collaboration with Shockwave soon. Go and watch his latest video. It just pop up on the screen. Is me I say? Go and go subscribe to his YouTube channel in bad. Tafat.
Well,
oh my
no,
God.
we can't say
Oh.
we know they are weird, man.
Oh, sorry.
You already boss it.
I'm already busted.
So big up to
Tafari
Tafari Levy.
No fluff him always a show with. So I have to
From
show
the
what the same
beginning.
love. From the beginning, from
In the
before.
there, every video.
From before Thinking
Coming.
Creative. You know what I'm saying? Enough
Big
comments.
up.
Enough love.
Then we have Dominic Smith.
Dominic Smith,
Sweet.
no love. You know what I'm saying? No love. Loving Morgan. Hi, what's up? We see you.
Remember, you know, comments. Yeah, me name.
Yeah, me name. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We're not a shame over here. Just bare flames and bare explanation points.
Next we have Chim Cookie.
Chim Cookie.
Chim Cookie.
Please tell me if we pronounce it wrong, please.
Honestly,
But
because
Chim Cookie we are looking for
Chim
right now.
Cookie.
So big up yourself. Me I say
We have
Russell
MWYT.
YT.
YT, what I mean YouTube.
YouTube. I come here for
So
YouTube
Russell
channel.
MW.
May I try my best to see if we can put in a YouTube channel pop up and make people subscribe. Yes, me say go and subscribe to
Thanks for
him.
commenting.
Thanks for commenting. Blue Steel TV.
With the whole heap of flames
What if
there.
I fit? Yo,
Whole
if
heap
you
of
don't want to
flames.
the YouTube banner, just go and go link
Blue
Steel
Steel TV.
Him do all the things and put up for YouTube and posters and everything. Him wicked. Go and go do him. Go show him some love. Tell him say the creative channel. So
Yeah.
you know. Tafari
Yeah.
Lively again. Jesus.
Tafari Levy again. But tell us the man just there.
Alright, so we have
Chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum flowers.
Flowers.
I'm so sorry if we pronounce
Sorry
it
if we
properly.
pronounce it wrong,
Pronounce it wrong.
because when it's called English class, so big up yourself. Big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? Say nobody's called English class.
No?
Cap.
Lies. Jada Williams.
That's actually nice. Oh, Jada Williams.
Oh, go on, big up yourself. What's up, Grandma Dan? Big up yourself again. Yeah.
Then we have
The official Kayla well bad. You don't know it thinks it already, you know, my friend that you know, big up yourself, you know, you know it thinks it already, you know.
Big up yourself.
Go follow her on Instagram, and Instagram just pop up on the screen. Go on. You see me?
Polite.
Junior,
people, you know.
enough people. Hold on, bear with me, guys.
We have
Junior Allen.
Allen.
Big up yourself, my bro.
Best Bird.
Big up yourself. It's me. I say, the Shamari. Big up yourself, my brother. It's me. I say, you know it thinks it already. Who else we have?
We have
Comedy Lover always a show we love. Big up yourself,
and we have
bro.
Hot Feeds.
Hot Feeds.
Hot Feeds.
Yes, me I say we have the Hot Feeds over here. Hot Feeds, so come circle with. You don't know anything already. You know. So that's everyone. Next big up section. And next time for the next video.
The next video.
And now we have to edit with this. Remember for comment it. Yes, me I say.
Remember for comment.
Yes, me I say.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Hear me, Yes, me I say you know no shame.
Bye.
Bye guys.